In far western Oklahoma, family members say their loved one died as those storms rolled through.
The twister also ripped many homes right off their foundation. News 4's Kaylee Olivas is in Cheyenne this evening.
Kids' clothing, home appliances, personal belongings just scattered everywhere. And right here is some framework that once held a home that was actually located right across the street. This family says they've lost nearly everything.
It's just devastating. It's just
a family of 4, 2 adults and 2 kids running to their underground storm shelter. Right above their heads, a tornado that would destroy their home within minutes.
It's gone. They're just like, it's gone. Everything's gone. You know, they have 2 little twin boys and, you know, just trying to explain and, you know, to them what happened.
Their home of 8 years now torn apart. The family says the most important thing, all of them are safe inside the cellar. About a mile down the road, the twister peeled the roof from another home.
Blown away, literally. I mean, you just never expect it. I've lived here my whole life and never had anything hit by a tornado.
The tornado came in through the northwest side of town, ripping apart several buildings. And sadly, authorities are now confirming 1 person was killed here.
I can confirm that we have had 1 fatality. At this point, we know of 3 injuries.
People who live here feeling lucky to have survived and fortunate to have the support of a small community.
Look at all these people that helped. Family, friends, you know, friends of friends, their relatives, you know. It's just such a good town to live in.
In Cheyenne, Kaylee Olivas, Oklahoma's News 4.